What we're looking at here is drain matting. It comes in various sizes from 600mm wide to up to 2 meters wide and lots of different lengths. So there's something for every job. It's a synthetic, so it's not gonna rot, and it just does its job. It stops silt and soil getting into that void or cavity that you've created to help with the drainage. And it means that you're environmentally sound because you can keep the soil that you've dug out of the trench on the job, saving you more money in rubbish costs as well. But you don't have to just use it with the trenching system. You can also use it behind, say, a sleeper retaining wall where you've still got cracks in the timber, stopping the silt and the soil moving through, or even over the weep holes in your block work and your brickwork retaining walls. It'll do exactly the same thing. It's Australian owned, Australian made, and there's a variety of sizes, like I said, to solve every problem when it comes to drainage at your place.